Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices for a reliable transfer. Plug them into power, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network, and sign into the same Google or Apple ID so permissions match. Once done, enable two-factor authentication and retrieve backup codes, because account verification often interrupts restores. Next, update each phone to the latest OS version and open the built-in transfer utility or the vendor app. This first step minimizes errors and ensures your cloud and local backups are visible to the new phone. You now run the primary restore. Select the full device backup that includes apps, settings, messages, photos, and call logs. This gives you a complete environment. If available, prefer a wired transfer for faster throughput and fewer dropouts. Otherwise, pick the encrypted cloud restore and enter your backup password. Make sure to grant every permission the new phone requests: contacts, SMS, storage, and camera. While restoring, keep both phones unlocked and on charger, because interruptions can corrupt the process or leave items incomplete. You finish by verifying and restoring app-specific data. Open critical apps, messaging, banking, email, and photo managers to force in app restores and complete re-authentication. Some apps rehydrate data only after you sign in. Once done, scan through photos, messages, and payment apps to confirm tokens and transaction history arrived intact. If something is missing, try the key troubleshooting tip. Switch to a wired transfer or reinitiate the backup restore from the cloud after confirming the original backup is intact. This usually resolves partial restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.